Do you know 7 of 10 employees feel that their performance and productivity could improve only if their managers listen more? Therefore, it is vital for organizations to invest in communication skills to make their business thrive. To ensure managers listen more, here's a comprehensive PPT deck on introducing listening in business communication to develop strong, active listening skills in your staff. A download and study of this presentation template will improve all-round performance. Grab this content-ready PowerPoint presentation to help your team listen actively and increase employee engagement. For starters, listening is the capability to accurately receive and understand messages. Effective listening requires patience, openness, and a willingness to engage with the speaker. The 4 of aim, alertness, accuracy, and activity are critical to the process. Download this pre-designed listening in business communication PowerPoint template to develop trust and motivate employees. In listening types, the first one is discriminative listening, which is used to identify age, gender, emotion, and more. Comprehensive listening involves the use of experience and vocabulary to interpret speaker's message in its entirety. In empathic listening, the listener understands the feelings behind the message. Analytical listening helps the listener accept or reject speaker's ideas as right or wrong. Whether you're leading a team, negotiating with clients, or collaborating with colleagues, active listening pays, a special segment of the presentation on offer. Active listening is the practice of giving the speaker complete attention to fully receive the communicated message. Its benefits at the workplace include increased knowledge, better problem-solving skills, building trust, resolving conflicts, and a boost in productivity. By prioritizing listening, individuals can improve leadership skills and businesses can boost employee engagement. Grab this ready-to-use listening in business communication PowerPoint template to foster positive relationships and make better informed decisions.